Mr. Vishal Jajodia, when I first met him, he talked to me about his vision, like with about Swati Spentos, and the raw material which they are providing, which is very important, pentosane sulfate. So it is very important drug for treating the pathology of interstitial cystitis. So this, I think so. Not only in India, but all the Indians as well as the other country, they will be benefited. So if he is working for not one country but everyone as a whole for a universal cause, I would congratulate Mr. Jajodia for his work, whatever he has done. Hats off to Mr. Jajodia for bringing all of us together and for a cause which can make a difference to the society in the coming years. PPS, it is the molecule. When we talk about pain, so me being a pain specialist, so I have to treat the symptoms. And when I treat about when I treat the symptoms, I have to treat the pathology because we don't want to recur. We don't want the pain to recur because they are really going in a bad shape. The patients are really for years together not diagnosed and going in a bad shape. So PPS is a molecule which, so by the time it works, because it takes a long time to work, and the effect it remains for a long period of time. PPS is really a good molecule and great results we have seen with around 3 months of therapy because it takes some time. So by the time it starts its action, the pain management it helps. So we are treating the pain, the symptoms as well as the pathology. So this is how it helps.